we're going to work on this gold text effect. All right, so this gold text effect was made without importing any PSD file, and it was done with a smartphone. All right, so let's start. All right, to start, you go to your web browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. All right, so and you search for photopea.com. Photopea. All right, so this is photopea.com. So I click on it. It's an online photo editor, pretty much like Photoshop, the free version of Photoshop, and then wait for it to load up. Right, so when it loads up, you see different stuff. But what concerns us now is to click templates. So you click on templates. All right, so you just wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. So I'm just going to wait. All right, I'm going to pause, and when it loads, I'm going to resume. All right, so it has loaded up pretty much. All right, so you just scroll down. These are various mock-ups and text effects you can work with, but this is what we're working with. All right, so this is the first one. Then there is this realistic gold text effect. All right, so I'm just going to click on it. Just click on it, and then I'm going to say about it. Realistic gold text by Gareth Edwards. A realistic gold text effect. Check out my YouTube channel. Right, so you can decide to follow this guy. You can click the link for much more knowledge. Right, so to use the text effect, what you have to do is to click on code. Right, so wait for it to load up. Right, so this is the text effect. Right, so this is the interface. All right, so go text effect. Now this is actually very simple. You just click on your layers icon. All right, no, I'm not using any photos, so just click on your layers icon. All right, so this is layer. All right, so you click on layer, and then you see different stuff. You see light bloom, gold color, metallic effect, fingerprint texture, text effects, drop shadow, gold effects, bevel and emboss, gradient overlay, background. All right, so you just make them not to be seen. All right, because we want something that is, transparent, so we can use it. And then remove the light bloom. All right, let's see. Remove the light bloom, and then we're ready to work. So this is our text. So gold. So to work on it, you just go to text by clicking on T and click on the gold. All right. Now for me, I'd like to reduce the size, just in case I want to write something that is long. I'll maybe say 200. All right, and put the point. All right, 200.33 pixels. All right, so this is what I want. Or I can be like this. I can say it's 250. So this size depends on what you are writing. All right, so if the text effect is something a many worded something, all right, you can decide to reduce the size even further so that the space would contain. All right, so now I will write victory. All right, so yeah, so now I also have the liberty to change the font. All right, so the original font is lobster. I can decide to change the font. All right, so now these are the loaded fonts. These are the available fonts, and I'm going to change it to every designer's favorite font. Maybe not every designer's favorite font, but my favorite font, Bibas. My other favorite font is Montserrat. So let's just search for Bibas. All right, Bibas. So Bibas, no, so we have Bibas, no, Bibas, Bibas, no, let's use this one. I saw this one, then I can start to go bold, yeah. I saw this is it. So I just let go of the highlights, and I have this. I can change this for whatever font I want. Like that's it. So you can choose not to work with the font that the text effect comes with. That's the lobster font. All right. So I can also say I want to use. I don't know if they have poppins here. Let's try poppins. Poppins. Yeah, they have poppins. Okay. Bold. It's bold. Okay, let's use bold. All right. So, medium. bold. Right, so I'm going to reduce the size. You can see that the edge of the Y is cutting out of the canvas. I can try to shift it, or just reduce size. Now to move, just click the black part anywhere at the black side, not the transparent side. It moves, just move. All right, so currently to do this, toggling my hands on the black part of the screen, the interface. All right, so this is it. All right, so I just place it the middle, just there. There's also an option to reduce the size, so I can just take it to 200.33. All right, so now we have this, and I can move, just like that. To get this, good, very good. All right, so this is my final result, but I want to go. Let me let go of the highlight so you see the beautiful font that we have. All right, so you can see this is very beautiful. All right, so let's use, because I want to go with bibas. All right, so just highlight, just long press and move to the edge. You get that? So I'll search for. I already used bibas. All right, so bibas bold. All right, so I'm going to increase the size to 300. 300.33. Right, so yeah, that's very beautiful. Right, so I have this. Can you see this is the result? This is the result. All right, so I'm going to. You can see that the text have affected here victory. All right, so this is the result. This is the result. Now to save, I'll click on file and say save, export as PNG. Right, so you can export as PNG, JPG, web, PDF, SVG, GIF, and even more. But what concerns us is PNG. So you can change the name. All right, so you can always change the name just for identification. All right, victory text effect, because it's my name and it's my text effect. Right, so save. So when you click on save, not sleeve, it downloads. And then when you open it, you can see your beautiful text effect looking at you in the eyes. Alright, so try this out and get back to me in the comment section if it worked for you. And then if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Share this content. It will encourage me a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.